So students, in this section we will be talking about cell, which is the basic unit of life. We'll be talking a bit more, we'll get into a bit more detail about the functions that the cell has to perform, and all the other duties or different type of cells that exist. We'll be talking about all of that, right? So let us begin. We already know that cell is the basic unit of life. It is cell that makes any organism, and it is the cell that is the tiniest of the entity existing independently in any organism, right? It performs all the life processes, like as cell is existing as a living organism independent, it is self-sufficient, it is capable of performing all the life processes. It performs all the life functions, like intake of the food material, taking in of food, then excretion after absorption of that food or absorption of the nutrients from that food, the metabolism, it takes care of the metabolism that's taking place in that cell, respiration. Of course, respiration is important for the production of energy that is going to allow the cell to do these different tasks, So excretion, metabolism, respiration, irritability, sensitivity, all these functions are being performed by the cell. Now, the next thing that I would like to tell or discuss with you all is the division of labor. Now, what does this term division of labor actually means? So, cell usually possesses a number of components that are called as cell organelles, or you can say cell organelles. Cell organelles or cell organelles, the pronunciations may vary according to your preferences. So, what are these cell organelles? Well, just imagine our body. In our body we have got different organs, like we have a brain to think, we have a heart, we have stomach, we have lungs, right? In the same way, the different parts of the cell or the different components that are there inside the cells, those different components performing different functions for the cell, they are termed as organelles or organelles. Each cell organelle is there present to do its own job, meaning every organelle that is there in the cell, that's present in the cell, has its own job in which it has got its expertise on, right? So each cell organelle perform different functions. Like there are a number of different functions, just like now we discussed few of the different functions, right? Like clearing up of the waste material in the cell, or maybe protein synthesis, or maybe lipid synthesis for the cells. So all these different jobs are being taken care of by individual organelles.